Hello everybody, we're here at the AC Hotel by Marriott here in downtown San Diego in June 2023. Now this is a brand new hotel. It just opened not too long ago and I'm here to give you a quick room tour. Here we go. To the right when you walk in, you have the ironing board and the iron and an open closet, some hangers, hang some stuff if you need to. And then you have the safe. And below that, you have the coffee maker, an ice bucket, some cups, and some stuff to make some coffee if you need to. And below that, you have the refrigerator. So let me open it for you guys. You guys take a look. Pretty cool. You have some glasses and some water. You have some drawers underneath that. And then you have a full-length mirror right next to it, right in the entryway. And then to the left, you have the bathroom. It's a good sized bathroom, good sized mirror, toilet, plenty of towels, hair dryer. It's pretty nice. And then to the left, you have the shower. Open it for you. So no bathtub, just a shower. Pretty nice. Close that. You walk in. Now this is a really small room. So I was very surprised when I walked in how small it was. And then, so this is the main room. You have the king size bed. I'm not sure how comfortable it is. I haven't laid on it yet, but I'll let you guys know in the comments how it is. So then to the right, you have a bench here. Right next to it, you have an area to put your stuff. And the TV looks like maybe a 50-inch LG TV. And then right over here, you have a desk. If you're here on business or just need to do some work, your laptop. And then I'm going to give you guys a look at the outside. There's no view here. We are in downtown, so this is like an alley. Top where you see some air conditioning ducts. So yeah, not a good view. So now look at the bed. You have some lights next to the bed, some reading lights. So you turn those on. You read in bed. Some artwork on the wall. Yeah, and that's it. It's a very small room. Still new. Everything's pretty clean. So far it's nice. Right in the middle of downtown San Diego. So, another look at the bed. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.